Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make homemade ice cream with 2 ingredients only. So for this we need whipped cream powder. Okay, so I'll be going in with 3 cups of whipped cream powder and 3 cups of water. So I'm using room temperature water. If you don't have cold water, don't worry, room temperature water still works well. The only difference is that it is going to take quite some time for it to form stiff peak. Okay, so if you want your ice cream thicker than this, you can reduce the amount of water you've added to your whipped cream powder. You can use about 2 cups of water if you don't want your ice cream soft. Okay, if you want it very hard, but I tell you, this texture and consistency was so nice. Okay, so I'm going to beat this until it forms stiff peak. I'll go with vanilla flavor and keep beating until I have achieved the consistency that I want for this ice cream. This ice cream was not hard, neither was it so soft, and it tasted so delicious, guys. So I have also shared the video for the ice cream cone that I used at the end of this video for the ice cream. The video is up on my channel. Then for the condensed milk too, I have shared a video on how to make condensed milk at home. The condensed milk that I added to this recipe was homemade. So you can see this has formed stiff peak. It doesn't fall off my whisk again. I am going to go in with my condensed milk right away. Okay, so I used about half cup of condensed milk for this ice cream. I'm going to keep beating this, and if your mixer is no longer doing the job, you can go in with spoon, to mix this until everything has been fully combined. Then I'm going to transfer this into a bowl. You can transfer this into a bowl or a cup, whatever that you have available, and refrigerate this overnight until it has blocked. Your ice cream is ready. So creamy, so lush, so soft and so delicious, guys. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on notification, leave a comment, tell me what you think about this recipe, if you're going to try it out, and if you tried it out, how it turned out for you. And I will see you guys in my next video. By the way, this ice cream came out so delicious. It was so creamy and everyone loved it. The cone that I used for this ice cream, the video is up on my channel. Check it out and react to the video too. Welcome to 2024, guys, and I hope you have the best of 2024. Bye.